your mommy and daddy. Okay? O sige, kakanta na lang tayo. Pagkatapos kumanta, you'll be with your mommy and daddy. Okay, mga mommy and daddy.
Sana hinarap nila yung maliliit na lang. Ito at hindi yan na bata na kayo. Baby girl. Baby girl. Tia. 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 May kasama na yung Diana. Ay, hindi naman makita. Ako. Ay, ikaw po kaso. May cellphone.
Okay. Okay, preschool, are you ready? Are you ready? O sige, stand straight. Okay, position. O sige, tinang ko ha, position. Be in your, designated place. Ayan, position. Kasi kailangan siyempre, paglata natin, kainin. Tapos, sasabihin kayo lahat. Lahat kakanta, pwede ba? Sino kakanta? Taas ang kamay. Very good. Hands down. Sino sasayaw? Taas ang kamay. Ayun. Talagang very good yung mga abang. Okay, hands down. Ready? Teachers, ibigay yung best nyo. Dahil kayo ang ginagaya. Okay? Maestro, music please. Tingin kay teacher. nila cellphone. Hindi sila mga palakpak, okay? Pero they do appreciate. Ang gagaling nyo lahat. Very good.